Oh shit, bro. Bruh, I'm hungry.
What should we eat?
Yo,
Yeah, bro.
should we make a mushroom spinach omelet
with
with
avocado,
avocado
spread?
spread?
Yo!
Yeah! Fortnite moves! Hey, it's Sam.
It's Carly!
It's Freddy.
And on today's show of iCarly, we're cooking up a storm in this bitch. Let's go!
Let's get this! And we're back.
Join us. Right now, we will be washing our hands.
I'll demonstrate as the first person.
Chill the fuck out.
No, it's not that
I'm
much.
just turn on. Alright.
It's not that much.
And this is a perfect example of what would happen if you don't follow safety precautions in a kitchen. Let me show you. Let me explain. See, this person, John, there was water on the floor, and he was moving around the kitchen and slipped. He fell, and the knife stabbed him in the heart. And look, he's dead. Like, he's actually dead. Hey, what's up, bro? What's up? How you doing?
I'm good.
You chilling?
I'm chilling.
In this occasion, this young fellow placed his hand on a hot stove. This can internally affect your body. It can also give you 3rd-degree burns, 2nd-degree burns, or 1st-degree burns. This is one thing that you shouldn't do in a kitchen.
Yo, you ready to cook?
I don't know, are you?
Let me think about it. Yeah.
Yeah! Let's get to cooking!
Now we're gonna preheat the oven. The fuck is wrong with you? That sounded like throw up.
This is the omelet we made, and now we're on to the avocado spread.
Let's go on.
Let's go.
Finish doing all of that shit. Yo, chill. One. Hey guys, it's Sam.
It's Freddy!
It's a boy. Skinny.
I don't know what to say.
Yo, hurry up. What the fuck?